Imaginations blossom with our Gears, Gears, Gears Build and Bloom set. Watch as budding engineers mix and match their way to creating a beautiful spinning flower garden of their own. Easy-to-hold pieces snap together and pull apart to create numerous colorful flower combinations. And no garden is complete without butterflies, ladybugs, and bumblebees. This 116-piece set includes base plates, colorful gears, flowers, insects, wiggly stems, and more. And the interchangeability of parts allows for endless combinations and designs. Watch engineering skills and creativity grow with the Build and Bloom Gear Set by Learning Resources. Perfect for ages 4+.